I'm gonna plant these zinnia seeds here. It's a really pretty pink one. And I like this candy cane mix, so I'm gonna do that. I also have these that I need to plant today. I visited my daughter and I got these at a farmer's market. It's a pink flowering lavender. I don't know if you can see that. I got 2 of those and one a lemon verbena. So I had to take them out of the pots and put them in this Ziploc bag for the flight. So yeah. This is a tray of, I planted these on the same day. And 5F? I don't know. These are some Lemon Queen sunflowers, and every last one of them germinated. And this was a double giant zinnia, and these little seedlings in here, I don't know if those are, they don't look like zinnia seedlings, so I'm gonna go ahead and replant. And in this one, I had Bennery's giant zinnia seeds planted, and again, I got nothing. And zinnia is one of my favorite flowers. I put on this jacket because it's just a windbreaker, but the wind is going crazy out here. So yeah, I'm gonna plant all these seeds. I'm gonna use this labeler as my hole poker. Okay, today I'm going to be planting this zinnia right here. And it says 35 days to bloom. Oh, it is nippy out here. It's windy. But I have a 36 cell seed tray here, and I'm going to plant a seed in every one of them. I had previously planted, what was in here? The Bennery's giant zinnia, but nothing came up. So I'm gonna try again. I mean, zinnia is one of my most favorite flowers to have in my garden. So I'm gonna go again and see what we can get done. All right, let's get these planted. If you've never seen a zinnia seed, I don't know if you can see that or not, but the zinnia all planted, and I planted 2 trays of 36. Okay, and again, this is what I planted today. This pink one and the candy cane mix. I really like this one. All right, so that's one project done for today. Now I'm going to go over and we're going to look at the bed that I need to clean up to plant some onions there. So that's the plan. All right, let's go. Okay, this is the bed that I have the arugula in, and let me step back a little bit. It's full, and it has flowers, and everybody's trying to go to seed. I have a couple in another area that I'm going to allow to actually go to seed, but this bed I want to plant the onions in, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, the bed with the arugula in it is all cleaned out. I'm gonna leave this brassica here. It has not yet gone to seed. So, I don't know. Either way, whatever it is, I'm sure I can eat the greens of it. It could be a collard, I don't know. And I left this right here because I'm not sure if it's chamomile or dill. I have both in the garden, so I just left it there in the back. Right there, I planted some garlic, so I'm gonna leave that. It was the smaller garlic bulbs that I had that I planted in this row right here. All right, so that's one task down. Let's see where we're going to plant the plants that I brought back from visiting my daughter. I have the 2 lavender and 1 lemon verbena. So I think I'm gonna plant the lavender here. I have 2 pots, 2 matching pots. I wanna let this right here, this beauty, is a variegated collard, and the leaves didn't get, big enough to eat, but I am for sure gonna let this go to seed and collect every last one of these seeds and give this another attempt. Okay, I changed my mind about planting the lavender and the lemon verbena in the places that I had decided, because the one pot has the variegated collard in it, and I want to let it go to seed. So I didn't want to dig that up, because then I would have one pot with lavender and one without. So I'm just going to put them in these pots and the lemon verbena here with this mint. So these will just be their temporary homes, until the spaces that I've chosen for them are ready to plant in. All right, so let's go ahead and get that done right quick. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garden today, guys, while I accomplished a few things around the yard. All right, everybody have a nice day, and leave me some comments and let me know what you're doing in your garden. All right, guys, bye.